Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today I'm making 3 refreshing margaritas that are easy and quick to make at home. I will be showing you how to make a strawberry margarita, a mango margarita, and a mint margarita. Each one has a different flavor, but they're all super simple and perfect when you want something cold and refreshing. So let's get mixing. We'll make the strawberry margarita first. For this one, I'm adding fresh strawberries, lime juice, orange juice, simple syrup, and ice into the blender. Fresh lime juice is really important in margaritas because it gives that bright, tangy flavor that balances the sweetness of the fruit. Always taste your fruit before blending. Strawberries can vary a lot in sweetness depending on the season. If your strawberries are already sweet, you might not need much simple syrup, and if they're a little tart, you can always add a little extra sweetness. Blend until smooth and slushy. You want everything fully blended so there aren't big ice chunks, but you still want that thick frozen texture. The balance between ice and liquid really matters also. If you add too much liquid, the drink will turn out thin. If you add enough ice, you'll get that thick slushy texture that margaritas are known for. Both consistencies are perfectly okay. It's really up to personal preference. For the rim of the glass, I'm doing something a little different, mixing coconut flakes with sugar. To get the rim mixture to stick, just run a lime wedge around the edge of the glass first, then dip it into the coconut and sugar mixture. This adds a little sweetness and texture with every sip. Once the strawberry mixture is blended, pour it right into the glass. Garnish with a strawberry to make it look extra nice, and that's your strawberry margarita. Next up is the mango margarita, which is actually my favorite of the 3. In the blender, I'm adding mango puree, fresh lime juice, orange juice, a little honey or agave, ice, and a splash of coconut water. I forgot the coconut water at this part, but you will see me add it in just a little bit. The coconut water not only helps the mango blend smoothly, but it also adds a subtle tropical flavor that keeps the drink from feeling too heavy. Not to mention, coconut water has electrolytes. A quick tip for making these margaritas: if you feel like the drink is too thick, you can always add in more liquid, 1 splash at a time. And if you feel like the drink is too thin, you can add in a few more ice cubes a little at a time. For the rim, I am dipping the glass into chamoy first and then Tajín. The chamoy makes the Tajín stick better, and the combination adds a sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy flavor that pairs perfectly with the mango. Once everything is blended, pour it into the rimmed glass and garnish with a lime slice dipped in Tajín. Taste before serving, and if it needs a little more sweetness, just add a drizzle of a little honey or agave, and if you want it a little more tart, add a little more lime juice, and your thick, slushy mango margarita is ready to enjoy. It's sweet, tropical, spicy, tangy. All the flavors just work so well together. Lastly, we're making the mint margarita, which is a lighter option. So in your blender, blend together fresh mint leaves, lime juice, a little simple syrup, ice, and a splash of sparkling water. I kept this one thinner compared to the other margaritas, but this one still has that nice slushy texture that makes it fun to drink. For mint, a little goes a long way. Too many mint leaves can make the drink slightly bitter, so just a handful is perfect. You want that fresh, bright mint flavor without overpowering the lime. For the rim, I am going to be dipping the glass into a mixture of sugar and coconut, similar to what we used in the beginning of the video for the strawberry margarita, but I'm also going to add in a zest of lime. This adds a little aroma, sweetness, and a little visual pop. Pour your drink into the garnished glass and then add a little sparkling water on top. It keeps the froth and makes it look extra refreshing. Optional to garnish with a sprig of mint leaves, and your mint margarita is ready. And that's it. 3 delicious margaritas you can make right at home. Strawberry is sweet and tangy, mango is thick, creamy, and tropical, and mint is light, fresh, and perfect when you want something refreshing without heaviness. Let me know in the comments which one you would try first. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Rashee for more recipes just like this. I'll see you soon in a new video.